In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature in Microsoft Outlook. Having a personalized email signature can add a touch of professionalism to your emails and ensure that all your important contact information is readily available to your recipients. So, let's dive into the process of setting that up. First, you'll need to log in to your Outlook account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Enter your credentials as you normally would to access your account. Once you're in, take a quick moment to ensure your dashboard is functioning correctly and looks familiar to you. If it's your first time logging into Outlook, don't worry. Every option we'll need is labeled and easy to find. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's the gateway to customizing many aspects of your Outlook experience. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. As soon as you click it, a drop-down menu will appear showing different settings options you can adjust. Now, from this settings menu, find and select the section labeled Account. This is where you'll manage various account settings, including our focus today, your email signature. Within this section, locate the option for signatures. Click on it to access the signature setup area. It's quite straightforward from here. Once inside the signatures section, you'll see a box labeled Email Signature. This is where the creative part begins. You can type out the signature you would like your recipients to see at the bottom of your emails. Think carefully about what information is necessary. Typically, people include their name, position, company details, and contact information. As you're crafting your signature, remember that you have options to format the text. You can make parts of your text bold, italicize it, change colors, and even add links or images if needed. This can help elevate the appeal of your signature, making it more eye-catching and professional. Take advantage of these features, but keep balance in mind to maintain a clean, readable format. After perfecting your signature text, give it a name. Naming your signature helps when managing multiple signatures, or if you need to set specific ones for different purposes. To name it, simply find the Name Your Signature field and enter a suitable title. Lastly, don't forget the all-important final step. Click Save. This ensures all your hard work details and formatting are securely recorded. Once saved, your signature is ready and will automatically appear on your outgoing emails, giving them that professional polish. And there you have it. You now know how to create and customize a signature in Microsoft Outlook effectively. It's a simple yet impactful way to enhance your email communication. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.